Ram has finally pulled the covers off its latest pickup concept. But there's a catch. Most of us won't get to drive it. Unveiled in Brazil, the Ram Dakota Nightfall previews a rugged new midsize truck designed specifically for South American markets. While North American fans have long been waiting for a new Dakota, this isn't the one destined for U.S. showrooms. Instead, it's a unique model built with the needs of South American buyers in mind, set to launch in 2026. At first glance, the Dakota Nightfall has an undeniably tough and adventurous look. Though it's based on the Fiat Titano and Peugeot Landtrek, Ram has gone further than a simple rebadge. The front fascia is distinctly Ram, featuring a massive grille flanked by aggressive LED headlights and a full-width LED light bar. Amber lights embedded in the sculpted hood pay homage to the Ram 1500 TRX, though it's unclear if they'll make it to production. The bumper adds a functional off-road-ready skid plate and vertical intakes. Along the side, the body lines may look familiar to those who know its platform siblings, but unique Ram-specific LED taillights and badging distinguish it from the rear. The Nightfall concept rides on 18-inch beadlock wheels wrapped in chunky 33-inch all-terrain tires, complemented by a raised suspension with Fox dampers for better off-road capability. Wide fenders, side steps, a tow hook, and an electric winch enhance its utility. There's also a sports bar with integrated LED lights that carries a full-size spare tire, perfect for long off-road adventures. The matte wrap finish with bronze accents gives it a bold, premium off-road presence. Underneath, the Dakota Nightfall rides on a ladder-frame chassis shared with several international models, including the Chinese Kitescene F70 and Chang'an Hunter. At 5,331 millimeters long, it's larger than the unibody Ram Rampage and aimed at competing with heavy hitters like the Toyota Hilux, Ford Ranger, and Volkswagen Amarok in South America. While Ram hasn't confirmed specs, the most likely engine is a 2.2-liter turbo diesel producing 197 horsepower and 450 newton-meters of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a full-time 4WD system. This combination should make it a capable workhorse both on-road and off-road. While the interior remains under wraps, Ram is expected to give the production version a more premium and high-tech cabin than its Fiat and Peugeot counterparts, aligning with the brand's upscale positioning in South America. Expect quality materials, modern infotainment, and exclusive trim options when the final version hits showrooms. The new Dakota will be built at Stellantis' Cordoba assembly plant in Argentina and sold across South American markets starting in 2026. Unfortunately for U.S. buyers, this truck won't be coming stateside. However, Ram has hinted that a different midsize pickup for North America is still in the works, with production possibly beginning in 2027 at the Belvidere assembly plant in Illinois. Unlike the South American version, the U.S. model is expected to have no ties to Chinese platforms, likely offering unique engineering and styling tailored for American buyers. For South America, the Dakota Nightfall promises to be a bold and capable midsize pickup that blends Ram's premium styling cues with proven mechanicals. Whether it's tackling rugged terrain or serving as a stylish daily driver, it looks set to make a strong impression when it finally hits the market.